Hi guys, this is my first video and I will give you my intro in the next video. The video is regarding how to make partition of hard drive in our computer. So for that we have to go on my computer and right click there on the my computer icon. Then you will see one option disk management in the left side of the panel. So again we have to go there and we have to click on the disk management option. Then one window will open there. It will show how many drive is there in our computer. So there are two drive, it is displaying here, C drive and D drive. So now what we have to do, we have to click on the D drive and click on the shrink volume button because we want to make partition from the D drive. Now this option will take some time to go on the next step. So from here what we are doing, we are making partition from D drive. So we have to wait for some time. Now one panel is open here. So here we have to give space how many MB we want here to make next drive. So I'm giving here 10,000 MB means it is going to separate 10 GB space from D drive. So now one panel is open there. In that it is showing 9.77 GB unallocated memory. Again we have to go there and we have to click right button, and now we have to click new simple volume and we have to go on the next. Again we have to click next, and now again we have to select alphabet from here for the name of the drive, what alphabet we want for our next drive, what we are going to create. So here I am going to take Z drive and we have to click next and again finish. So now what we'll see here, that this drive we are giving name Z. So like already we have C drive and D drive. Now this drive I am going to give name Z drive. So now it is displaying here Z drive. Again we have to, you will see that one pop-up will come like new volume Z drive. So here you will see in upside after computer it is showing Z drive. Once you will go in computer, then you will see here that before it was only two drives, C drive and D drive. Now it is displaying C drive, D drive and Z drive, and you can see here that Z drive is for 10 GB memory allocation. So this video obviously you are going to like. So please, if it is helpful for you, please do like, subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.